Did you know Amazon's most profitable division isn't its online store? It's called Amazon Web Services, or AWS. AWS actually makes more money for Amazon than all its North American retail sales combined. Most people think of Amazon as a place to buy stuff, but the real powerhouse is hidden from view. AWS is the world's leading cloud computing provider, powering much of the internet you use every day. When you stream Netflix or scroll social media, you're likely using AWS without knowing it. AWS started as an internal project to solve Amazon's own tech challenges, then became a service for other businesses. Today, AWS holds over a third of the global cloud market, more than Microsoft and Google combined. This dominance was no accident. It was a bold bet on a future where companies rent computing power instead of owning servers. While Amazon's delivery boxes are visible, AWS is the invisible engine driving Amazon and much of the digital world. Understanding AWS is key to understanding how technology shapes our lives. Let's rewind to 1994, when Jeff Bezos started Amazon as an online bookstore in his garage. The idea of buying books online was revolutionary, and Amazon quickly outgrew books, adding music, electronics, and more. This rapid growth created huge technical challenges. Amazon needed powerful systems to handle millions of transactions and global shipping. To keep up, Amazon's engineers built flexible, scalable infrastructure. In 2003, engineers Benjamin Black and Chris Pinkham proposed selling this infrastructure as a service. Amazon realized its internal tech could be a valuable product for others. Leadership, including Bezos and Andy Jassy, took a risk, turned their technology into a new business. In 2006, Amazon Web Services launched with a simple storage service called S3. This marked Amazon's transformation from an e-commerce site to a tech giant. AWS was born from solving Amazon's own problems and then solving them for the world. That's how a bookstore became a digital powerhouse. So, what is the cloud? It's simpler than it sounds. Instead of storing files on your own computer, you save them on secure servers owned by companies like Amazon. You can access your data from anywhere, on any device, as long as you have internet. For businesses, cloud computing means renting storage and computing power instead of buying expensive servers. It's like plugging into the power grid instead of building your own power plant. AWS lets companies pay only for what they use, scaling up or down as needed. This flexibility helps startups and global giants alike move fast and save money. The cloud is really a network of massive data centers around the world. AWS provides the backbone for countless digital services, making advanced tech accessible to everyone. That's why the cloud is everywhere, even if you never see it. Amazon launched AWS early and grew fast, giving it a huge head start in cloud computing. For years, AWS was the only major player, capturing a massive customer base and refining its services. AWS offers everything from simple storage to advanced AI tools, making it a one-stop shop for businesses. Today, AWS is Amazon's main profit driver, with much higher margins than its retail business. This profitability funds Amazon's expansion into new areas, from delivery networks to smart devices. AWS is trusted for its reliability and security, even by banks and government agencies. Amazon invests billions in new data centers and technology to stay ahead. As more customers join, AWS adds features and lowers prices, creating a powerful cycle of growth. Andy Jassy, now Amazon's CEO, was the architect of this strategy. AWS turned Amazon from a retailer into a global tech superpower. You probably use AWS every day without realizing it. Netflix streams, Airbnb bookings, and Lyft rides all run on AWS. News sites, gaming platforms like Fortnite, and countless apps rely on Amazon's cloud. AWS's reach goes far beyond shopping. It's the backbone of the modern internet. Amazon faces tough competition from Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud, but its early start keeps it ahead. This rivalry drives innovation and keeps prices competitive for everyone. AWS's story is a lesson in spotting hidden strengths and reinventing a business. From bookstore to digital empire, Amazon's journey is powered by the invisible cloud. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe for more deep dives into the tech shaping our world.